Okay, now I can click through my slideshow, and that's what's being recorded. So welcome to my open house. This is my bio slide. Is there at least 30 seconds of video showing my face to parents? Yes, there is. I talk about my curriculum, any special projects. Remember, it should be, the whole video should be 5 minutes maximum. So the whole video should be only 5 minutes maximum. And what you don't need to cover, what the building leadership will cover, are helping parents finding their way to your videos. Our wish for students to turn their cameras on during classes for relationship building, grading, power up, Skyward Family Access, and PBIS. So you don't need to cover that stuff. When you finish, you're going to stop the recording and you'll just wait, because it takes a few minutes for that recording to end up in your Google Drive, and that's where it's going to end up. Then so it's going to be in your Google Drive, and even though Google Drive and YouTube are the same company, you can't yet transfer a video easily from one to the other. So you're going to have to download it from Google Drive and then upload it to YouTube. So we'll take a look how to do that next. All right, so now I'm going to stop my presentation. So now I'm going to stop my recording,